I always get people like, oh, I want to lose weight, but I want to wait until after my vacation. So it's like, how do we navigate through like this? How do we get people to actually join something now and not wait after vacation?
Yeah. So, I mean, first of all, would it be beneficial for them to join while going on vacation?
Probably not. It's gonna make it a lot more difficult. I always see it as like it's a challenge, right? It's a possibility to really challenge yourself. That's the way I view things.
Yeah.
But for most people, they just want the easy way out. It's like I want to go and enjoy all the food possible.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay.
Yeah, I mean, I think that if you can like hang your hat on like it would be beneficial for you to join before you go on vacation. If you're like convicted about that, like this would be a good thing for you, then you can speak to that. Like I think it's a really good thing for you because then you'll know how to navigate vacations, identify why, you gain 10 pounds on that vacation if you have this like people that do this have a tendency to eat less and be a little bit healthier on vacation just because it's in the back of their mind, like, so you can speak to like why you're convicted, why it'd be a good thing. If you're like, no, this wouldn't be a good thing, just wait till after vacation, just move on and do something else with people that, you know what I mean? Do something else for the summertime and then like just plan your big launch for after vacation. Hey, did you get fat on vacation or are you feeling dumpy after vacation? Then the launch is just bigger later, right? It doesn't always have to be right now.
Okay.
The other thing that I was going to say is, you can add on something that makes them feel like that isn't costing them anything. So like say you had a monthly program that you run people through and you're like, I'll give you an extra week for the week that you're on vacation. That way it's in the back of your mind. You're going to be more likely to get started when you come back, but it's no pressure because you're not paying for it when you're on vacation. They're probably not going to seek your services on vacation anyway. They're not going to be like messaging you and asking you things. So it's really nothing to you too. So that's another idea. Just position it like that, where it's literally not a loss for them if they get started now.
I like that.